पूरा मार्केट से कम में करेंगे, ठीक है। Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your host Keith. You're watching Wild Hacks. So in today's vlog, we'll get to know the truth of vlogging. So my laptop completely crashed for a couple of weeks. I'm struggling with my laptop. The laptop is the only priority for me because I use this for editing purposes and all my personal work. So it completely crashed down, and by the way, this is around 6 to 7 years laptop which I'm using, and yeah, it just serves my purpose. That's the reason I'm using. I've not upgraded or done anything. Okay, so after a long time I had to take this to a service center. What exactly happened, I'll let you all know. I was transferring a few files, the computer hung up, and then I had to restart. I pressed the power button, and from there on it just went off. So I thought I will wait for some time and I'll restart it again, or so I pressed the power button again after an hour and tried, but it didn't work. The power button, the light was on, all the lights were on, but the main screen was completely blank. Then I decided I'll go on YouTube and I'll check if this can be repaired by myself. So I went on YouTube. I tried removing the battery, pressing the power button for around 10 seconds, also removing the power cable, and I tried a lot of steps, but it didn't work. Then I thought, let's become an engineer. तो हम सोचे कि हम हमारे इंजीनियरिंग दिमाग से कुछ करेंगे, भले हम इंजीनियर के बैकग्राउंड के नहीं हैं, नॉट फ्रॉम द इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड, फ्रॉम कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड, बट आई जस्ट थॉट लेट्स गिव इट अ ट्राई. एंड हमने उसको खोल दिया उसको ऑपरेशन करने के लिए. आई ओपन द लैपटॉप. I just saw a lot of wires and a lot of cables, a lot of things which I really don't know what purpose it serves, and I just closed it and kept it back. Then I called Levi, and Levi resides in Jew. He's featured in most of my vlogs, and I just called him and told him that this is the issue and what can be done, because he had recently repaired his laptop. So we went to Andheri, and then you can just check what exactly happened. So we are heading to Andheri right now. So I decided to take my laptop to the service center in Andheri. I don't know the service center, so I'm going to Juhu right now. I will pick up Levi, who has been to the service center before when he had an issue with his laptop and it got it repaired out there. So I'm taking my laptop to the same service center which he did and get it repaired, because I'm facing this issue from almost 2 weeks where my laptop was crashing down while editing, and due to which my videos are not coming regularly, and I wanted to get this fixed, but I just delayed, and now it's come to a point that I have to get it repaired. So as a vlogger, you need your laptop and your camera gears to work, because these are the two key elements that you need for vlogging. One you shoot and the other you need to edit. So if you're missing any one of these, then it's very difficult to vlog, and the same issue is with me right now. I tried a couple of shops nearby, but they do not repair laptops. So now I'm heading to Juhu, quickly pick up Levi, who featured in my previous vlogs, and then we'll go to Andheri and check if they can get this repaired. We have reached in Juhu, where Levi resides. Now we are near Juhu beach. Just have a look at a crowd here in Juhu. This is the Ramadan Plaza in front. Being a weekday, which was a Thursday today, there's a lot of crowd. laptop was getting repaired, so I just thought of coming out and having a chai here at Nagori. You can see. And this is near Azad Nagar. There's the metro right on top. My laptop is getting repaired. Till the time it's getting repaired, I'm here for an hour. Don't have nothing to do, so let's see how it is. Just trying to have some street food here. There's samosa. Parag. So yeah, Parag here. So near Amboli, and we are just near the metro. And he has a shop here, and we get good sort of samosas. You just tried a samosa. Trust me, it's very nice. And come out, so it's like around 4 samosas for 10 bucks. But you just come and try having samosas over there. There is one small samosa. So let's taste, guys. Very healthy. That one samosa. तो फाइनली अपना लैपटॉप बन गया है और आशिफ भाई ने अपना हमारा लैपटॉप बनाया, तो शुक्रिया आशिफ भाई। तो कितना टाइम लगा अपने को यहाँ पे? 3 घंटा 4 घंटा
1.5 घंटा तो ऊपर हो गया।
हाँ जी। तो 8:30 बज गया इधर, आया था 5:30 बजे और अभी हमारा लैपटॉप बन गया था। उसका थोड़ा सा कुछ ग्राफिक कार्ड का इशू था, तो बन गया फाइनली। तो अभी एडिटिंग चालू करके वीडियो प्रोसेस करेंगे। सो ऑल थैंक्स टू हिम। एंड गाइस, अगर आपको चाहिए तो यहाँ पे आ सकते हैं। आपका जो दुकान है यहाँ पे आशिफ भाई है और सभी टाइप्स के, सो वट एवर लैपटॉप्स यूल वांट, लाइक एप्पल A to Z, ही विल रिपेयर इट। एंड जो भी कॉस्टिंग है वो आप उनसे ही पूछ लो। आई विल पुट द कार्ड डिटेल्स, उनका कार्ड है मैं ले लूँगा, और उसका जो डिस्क्रिप्शन में आप ज़रा उसका इन्फॉर्मेशन लिख लो। इन सर्विस कॉस्ट बेस आप उनसे बात कर लो, मेरे को मत पकड़ो। उनका कार्ड है कॉस्ट, हाँ ये उनका कार्ड। हाँ, मेरे नाम से आओगे वाइल्ड हैक की तरफ से तो कुछ डिस्काउंट मिलेगा।
जरूर।
ठीक है, वाइल्ड हैक बता के आ जाओ इधर पे। कॉम्पैक्ट वाला बंदा आया था,
कम रीजनेबल में कर देंगे, जितना होगा ना उतना हम कर देंगे,
उतना कम करके दे देंगे। ठीक है, रीजनेबल है एकदम आराम से। ठीक है हैश, चलो बाद में बात करते
मार्केट से कम में करेंगे,
हैं। पूरा मार्केट से कम में करेंगे, ठीक है दोस्त अपना। चलो So I'm near the Juhu bus stop, and we ordered Chinese. Very tired. Special place where I and Levi we meet, and just near the Juhu bus stop. Very famous. So the best canteen right near the Juhu bus stop, and you get good amount of Chinese stuff out there. So it's a very nice place for me and Levi where we spend our time. So let's just try this chicken 65. Amazing. And for a reasonable rate, if you're looking out for a place, it's a very nice place. You have an option to sit, and you also have an option to take away home. So you can come out and hang out here. I'm feeling very hungry after a hectic schedule from afternoon onwards. I'm struggling with my laptop, and finally some good food. I'll catch you later. Having good sort of dinner, nice sort of Chinese. I was completely tired, and then I came home. I freshened up, and then I started vlogging. But my hard work went in vain because of the background noise of the fan. Anyways, I am re-vlogging it now to show you all. So my laptop is working fine. I use Power Director as my editor, and this absolutely works fine for me. So these are the files that I've imported yesterday. Okay, I'll just show you all a small clip. Friday night, Friday morning was the first book. So now I'm going to start. फटाफट फाइल्स को अपन इंपोर्ट करते हैं, इंपोर्ट मीडिया फाइल्स। ठीक है, I'll just import फटाफट इम्पोर्ट करके मैं फाइल्स को यहाँ पे इम्पोर्ट किया है. ठीक है, that means the software also working fine. So I just imported the files and now I've got it on my timeline. Okay, you can see this. Here is the timeline. Okay, I've said it's working absolutely fine for me now, and I just tested it yesterday, and now it's working. So hopefully you'll get to watch regular vlog. This is just an information I want to share with you all guys. If you all are having any sort of issues, do not delay. If there is any sort of issues, especially with the laptops, it costs a lot, and even with your mobile phones. So any electronic things, if you feel there is any sort of issue, just show it at that particular time. If you keep waiting, then it might cost you a fortune. So just make sure that you go to a shop and get it checked with the technician who will get it fixed at the earliest. So just wanted to share this information with you all. So I just hope this small sort of vlog helps you all guys. All the information will be put in the description in regards to the shop I had gone. There are a lot of shops out there who repairs laptops, so you can go out there and check, and whichever suits you all the best, you all can go ahead. But you can just go to the guy I had been asked by. He really helped me and fixed this, and that too on that day, because when I had gone out there, guys, there were a lot of shops, but then they were telling that you will not receive the laptop today itself. You have to leave it, then you have to come for a couple of days. We'll call you. So I was not quite comfortable. So Asad bhai really helped me. Okay, and you've seen the conversation I had with him. Very friendly person, and बहुत फ्रेंडली है यार, वो एकदम सही बंदा है. तो आँख बंद करके जाओ उसके पास, तो कोई भी लैपटॉप रहेगा आपके पास, लेके जाओ, आपको वो वहाँ पे बना के दे देगा. ठीक है. So yeah, that's it guys. So I'll see you all soon in the next vlog. Till then, take care, stay safe, and if you did like the video, please hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel. Take care guys. Bye.